Sundowns kuphela ebekufuna at that time.
Sundowns nePirates.
Pirates. Nice. Actually, yeah. I'm a cheetah buyer with Golden Arrows. Aya kuPirates. Kakhulu. I think uMamantu no Dr. Ivan banayo that relationship.
Yeah.
So wena kuze kanjani ukuthi ungayi kuPirates ukhethe Sundowns bigala bayana first day. Bekunjani mfana nawe uyongena laphini konje Chlorkop bathini Chlorkop kuyelo laphayana first day intwana manje usejozi manje how was that experience, how was the feeling for you? Yeah, because it was a huge challenge.
Yes, I was prepared because I decided that I want to join Mamelodi Sundowns knowing very well ukuthi the chances of me playing there ngenzeka angafika ngale ndlela le ngicabanga ngayo. So the very first day I entered the change room, I see the surprise Moriri, Anthony Lafont.
How was the experience CAF change CAF Champions League?
That competition test is your mental strength.
Blind.
Because if you are not mentally strong, then you're gonna crumble. From the airport, you will feel the tension. I go to game ground. No. The moment you touch down, you feel good my friends my friends you're gonna beat you.
Yeah, what? So you face Mamelodi Sundowns for the first time after you had a success in the club.
No, not necessarily qual.
Yeah.
I wanted to perform. And when that match came, then there's this rule you go done the club yakho.
Yeah.
And then on Friday, I was told I can't play against.
Yeah, and being against me, that rule mean I was always against. Yeah. Sanibonani ma South Africa mahle, sanibonani ma Africa mahle. Welcome to another episode, exciting episode eJabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. I'm your host uJabu Mahlangu. Namhlanje bafethu ngiphethe guest ebuya le KZN. Ngiphethe guest ebuya KZN bafethu before ngizom introducer this episode is brought to you by BetJets. Click the link below to register and use code JABU11 to get your 125% first deposit sports bonus up to 1,000 rand. Use code JABU10 to get 10 rand sports bonus bet. JABU50 to get 50 free casino spins. Link to register. Sengicela bafethu sicela ni register ku BetJets. Ngoba yiyo ke esilekelelayo kule show yethu ukuthi sikwazi ukuchubeka sisebenze, and ningakhohlwa futhi to like, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell for you to get all the latest updates as eJabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. Shuffling Diski Ringers bafethu sibuyile futhi angihambi ngi1 bafethu ngizoyi introduce guest yethu angihambi ngi1 ithi ngibulise uHlangu. Knowledge
unjani Jabulani?
Manje umfakelani ulana. Uyabona umfakelani ulana. Uyabona ke
awusujabulani
uJabu. Ulana ungamfaki. Ugrand intwana.
Akudali intwana.
Otherwise
amnandi intwana. Yeah man, let me greet also our viewers wethu. It's Busiso Mahlangu, Sense of Knowledge, a co-host lana eJabu and Diski Shandis. It's good to be back. And yeah, namhlanje mfethu angithi bahlala basikhalela mfethu bathi why singake silanda abantu ePulukwane, silanda abantu eCape Town, silanda abantu eKZN. Namhlanje sibaphethele igest lase KZN.
Danko.
Namhlanje ntwana.
Namhlanje.
Iyakhula phela mfethu show yethu mfethu.
Yeah, no siyabonga mfethu and yeah, bafethu without wasting isikhathi ngiphethe uSiyanda Zwane. Putwam, welcome to the show. Siyabonga mfethu ukuthi uthathe isikhathi sakho mfethu. Simflyisile ke bafethu sesinenyuka unyaka. Simflyisile siphatalile bafethu. Welcome to the show Proam.
Thanks a lot my brother. I'm
happy
to be here.
Siyabonga bafethu Siyanda udlalele Golden Arrows, wadlalela Nathi Lions ne. on loans, wadlalela iMamelodi Sundowns, Ajax Cape Town at some point beka ku loan nakhona Bidvest Wits, uThongati lento tale ihloliwe bafethu I defender ehlakaniphile bafethu very talented guy uwine guy 2 I Premier League ne Sundowns uwine CAF Champions League wawina ne MTN 8 ne Golden Arrows. I think udlalile ne Club World Cup ne Mamelodi Sundowns udlale all the major tournaments umfokazwane bafethu simphethe mfethu ngicela sihlale endabeni sihlafune mfethu ubani uSiyanda Zwane sicela just usigayi background yakho khule kanjani kini yabona indaba yedisk icale kanjani if mhlambe eJardini kini maybe khona maybe ulidlalile ibhola maybe thama lakho or uncle yakho before ake just nje unikeza ama-viewers wethu i-background yakho mfethu.
Before I get into that, bengicela kuwena Shavule ukuthi unginikele this opportunity because if I don't say this izogcina iphelele show.
Yeah.
And then I end up forgetting. It's a humble request coming from me to you, Ngehotman. I believe ukuthi uNkulunkulu gave you so much grace when you were still playing.
Yes.
And then after your footballing career, wakwehlisela umusa, wakunikeza a second chance. Where I'm going with this, I'm going kule ndaba le kaSiphombule because I really think when I think about it, you are the best suitable candidate for this. I would love you to pick up the phone and call that boy and invite him and take him out for a coffee and talk to him. Because when you've been in that bus and then uNkulunkulu wakwehlisela umusa, you came out of that bus and then you were able to make impilo yakho ibe lento eyiyo manje. You are a father, you are a husband, you are a family man. Usiphombule might not get that opportunity. Like you. You understand?
Yeah.
So, what I'm saying is, it's easier for the boy to relate to someone who's been there. Maybe I hear a lot of people saying, we've been advising this boy, but maybe he will be able to be more vulnerable to you because he knows good now you were there before. You understand?
You can relate.
Yes, because other people, they just judge.
Yeah.
Yes. Like we are machines and stuff. We are real human beings. We also deal with real life problems.
Yes.
Maybe there's those internal wars that this boy is fighting, but akakhona ukutshela abanye abantu. Maybe wena njengehotman azi ukuthi ngimbona uShavule isitori sakhe ngiyasazi, but he came out of this and then it became bad because we let go of Uzongo. You understand? You understand? We let go of Uzongo. And now, I don't want us to let go of that boy because he has an amazing, amazing talent. Because if we let go of him, he might never really know who he is. He might never reach his full potential. You will know, all of us, what he can do when he's inside the pitch.
Yes. Mfethu, enhlaki sense ngathi usiya uyazi. But ngizoyithatha icall, I think ngizomfonela.
Please do that.
No ngizoyenza siya kaMampela out yami. Because uSipho from ngisase ku SuperSport when I was the brand ambassador ye SuperSport benginokukhuluma vele naye. Actually one of my capacity lapha eSuperSport bekuwukuthi vele if kuba nomfana yabona unenkinga based on my experience vele bebathumela mina vele esikhathini esiningi ukuthi hey ndoda kunomfana ngathi manje ngathi sekayahlupha umunye mhlawumbe uyaseka yabhema or uyaphuza. So I used to talk naye but lento ekhuluma ingishanga phakathi mfethu to hear ukuthi nawe uconsent ngomunye umuntu mfethu that's priceless. That's priceless.
You know what is my biggest fear here? Right now, this boy, when he goes into his banking app, he still sees a lot of zeros. But after 2 or 3 years, you will see a minus. And then what happens? He's going to lose his cars. He's going to lose his house. He's going to lose his family members. You know what happens after football. He's going to lose his friends. And then it's going to go straight to depression.
Yeah.
And then it's going to be a very, very painful death for someone who had the potential to even be a star player in the national team. So I chose you because I know ukuthi if you tell him your story and he knows your story,
Yasazi.
he will be able to open up to you. Maybe
Yeah.
angakhona open up nabazali bakhe. But when you understand better,
I
because you were
noted.
there.
Ah
Please.
ngizoyenza bro wami.
Yeah.
Hayi ngizoyenza.
Yabo.
Yeah, ngizoyenza mfethu. Asiyeke usiyanda ufuna ukungena.
What's your way to start a show?
Eish mfethu ya nami ngishaya
yeah,
ngaphakathi
that's-
usiya. And siyamncanya we always advise
And,
ukuthi
and you've said it on the show. You even spoke to him on camera. But engeleza ngayo, I think we should take it serious.
no I will.
Pick
I will.
up the phone, speak to the boy.
No I will.
Yeah.
I will mdladla ngizoyenza kamampela.
Yeah.
Yeah, no siyabonga futhi kakhulu mfethu ukuthi ube nenhliziyo enhle mfethu because at the end of the day sinenkinga nathi silibele sidlala ibhola abantu bayasibona masiphume TV but bayakhohle ukuthi nathi sifaceana nenkinga eziningi masingekho egroundini uyabona singabantu nathi sinenkinga eziningi so for ukuthi nje nawe ube naleyo nto ukuthi ubelieve ukuthi maybe intwana mangahlala nayo phansi without judging him mhlambe anga open up and then mhlambe kubonakale ukuthi maybe angancedakala kanjani. I'm going to do that. Ngizoyenza. Yeah. Usiyanda Zwane ubani ubuyaphi ukhulele
Okay, Usianda, originally is from Pietermaritzburg. In a very small location called the Sobantu. Usianda ukhuliswe uBhoko. Umbana kaGofa. Yeah, umntwana kaGogo. Unfortunately, growing up, I never really got an opportunity to meet Ubaba Ngizalayo. Having not been able to meet Ubaba Ngizalayo, my mother died when I was 12. When we were in the age where I was, there was no way you could question your mother to Banuba. We understand there, yes. And then while in Nogogo, my mother got married to Ubaba Kadadethu omncane nobhutama omncane. Same location, but maybe 20 houses apart between ekhaya la ngikhule khona gogo nabo la behlala khona nomama ongizalayo. My mother will still moments to come and visit me ekhaya kugogo because the guy didn't want me to come and stay with them. So uthando la mama, I never really got uthando la mama uthi ngihlale noma. Yes, because she will come back from work and then azongibona lesikhathi esincane, I need to go, angazabuyela ubhuti emsebenzini. And then when I say, can I visit? No, I'm the one who's gonna come to see you until mama shone. Never really got that opportunity to feel how it's like to have a father and the mother.
Yes.
Umuntu engimaziyo ugogo. And my grandmother naye wangikhulisa wenza yonke into, and then after matric God decided it was enough. I was doing matrics and I just finished matric.
Yeah.
God decided it was enough. So I had no one. After finishing matric, I had nobody. I had to ukuthi ngibone nami njengensizwa ukuthi ke manje ngenze njani. And ugogo was a breadwinner at the time. So if ugogo shone, so there's no one. So I had two choices. Do I go to school or do I try and pursue a soccer career and try and make something because there has to be food in the table.
They have to.
Yes. So fortunate enough, at the time I was still playing for Vodacom, team Sobantu United. But before then I was developed with team yakhona futhi lapha eMaritzburg iStudy ngakhula. I played for Maritzburg United as well, but not at the time yombulelo. Generation yethu le esemuva kombulelo no Jimmy Town. Yes. So after that I had the trials for Golden Arrows. I went there. I promise you, sasu 5. Sathi sifika laphayana, they asked us to play a friendly match. At the time it was the late Rocky Madlala.
Okay.
Umphathi we-Golden Arrows.
Okay.
After
umphathi
we-Golden Arrows Rocky Madlala.
Baba.
Yes, Ubaba. Yes. May his soul rest in peace.
Yes.
After the training session, he said, wena usabuyele ekhaya. If ubuyele ekhaya ulanda impahla zakho, uyabuya ziyakuthatha siyakusayina. It only took one training session. for him to realize ukuthi yeah. And yeah, I felt ukuthi it was God's grace because there had to be someone ozokwazi ukuthi akhulise ikhaya, and I was chosen just like that ukuthi ke kube mina ozokwazi, and I became a breadwinner from then on. I think from 2005 that's when I started being a breadwinner. I never got a chance to live impilo yokufana because I had a lot of responsibilities.
So manje hey see mfethu so awuna coat man awuna put
Ube khona umalume, but omalume bami beyishayeka.
oh yeah
Yeah, ematel. So the conversations nomuntu kanjalo, it's always file conversations. Never conversation la whereby you have to sit you down. Yabo akhulume nawe into akutobile.
yeah
So most of the stuff I needed to learn along the way. Ngentatha ke ngena kwinkolo yoPlazarethu uShem. Ngibuna amakhela apha nobaba. Yeah, so indlela in ubudoda ke obuningi lapfunda khona lapho. Bengikwazi ukubalance, so bengikwazi ukubalance between my career and my religion. So that kind of helped me to become the man that I am today.
hey phela ayishuthi ayibone sibindi mfethu so azathi wena nje makushona ugogo azange vele kucabange nje ukwenza abuma crime or ini
No,
because kunzima phela mawuyintwana it's easy mdlaza
Yeah.
usho umlando wakho ungakhona it's easy nje ukuthi ube influenced
yeah.
ukuthi wenze crime but wena ukhethe idiski so le character yakho kusho ukuthi ibune character strong.
Yeah, I think like my upbringing was it toughened me up. I became a man at a very young age. You know, Shuffle, to go and witness your mother taking the last breath at the age of 12. And to lose your grandmother, and you're still dealing with the part of which you don't even know who your father is. Remember, Pella, you don't have an identity if you don't know Ugutu Baba Kuban, and that goes with your surname because you don't know who Ugutu Arab until this day. If you ask me, I won't be able to tell you.
Serious?
Yeah.
So manje I'm sure sonengane ngisho
Yes.
manje wenza kanjani mdlala makumele wenze
I had phela ngokhulele ekhala komalume.
Eh.
Obviously ingane yasekhala komalume.
yeah
So you use that surname.
we
But
use that
yes, but as you grow up as umuntu wesilisa, you always want to know your identity to ubani imvelaphi yakho. You understand? So sometimes when you search, you end up searching in the wrong places. Sometimes you just have to give it to God. At the right time, it will happen. Because everything in life happens at a time that He has ordained.
because just knowledge I can relate kancane kusiya because nami itime lami olelami lishone lingibukele I think 4 months ngiqeda ukusayina i-professional contract and I was very close to umama more than itime nalo itime bese grand
Yeah.
ngizizwa bese but bengiclose kakhulu umuntu bekangisupporta ebekeza ngisadlala ekasi eDavidton iOlilam belize iOlilam mina yangana sinethe aba bungami la ukusupport maka lesikhathi bebeze emagroundini because bengishala phambi kwase kwi-ground masidlalela kuleyo ground she will also cook for all of us team yethu yabo so that's beka supportive ngalo ndlela but now uthe makashona nami yangilibaza leyo nto leyo and then kwathola ukuthi before ashona i-relationship yami nobaba ne-relationship yakhe nobaba bebashadile but bayile ba separate yabo ubaba bekangaphathi kahle umama at some point yabo so mabathanda ukushona ubaba moshone 4 years late umama moshone 99 2000 ubaba kwashona 2004 all along benilibele ngizibiza uMashawu ngizibiza nesithakazeli si-wrong knowledge uyazi ukuthi kanini so mabaqeda ukuhamba I thought abengasela mndeni it's only 2 years back la ngiqale ukuba serious ngabuza abumndeni abasaphila ukuthi hey kahle kahle bapha abantu basekhaya eba amasam so yebo ngiyayithola because manje sengimdala nami and ngumfana nginomntwana umfana ifirst born umfana namadomola so kube la bayazi imvelaphi yakho khale ngibaqola 2 years ago and bengibiza cabanga mangenza izinto ezesintu mhlambe ngiphahla lana bengibiza isithakazelo sami.
Yeah, no, it's a problem, especially uma ngabe umuntu wesilisa, because then kulimaza ekutheni you grew up without knowing your father, and now you are becoming one. Oh,
Like
you don't have a point of reference of how to become ubaba. You don't have a blueprint of how to become ubaba. I always tell other people that you are a good father, and it's guys, I don't even know what I'm doing. Yeah, but the fact that I see the smile in my kids' faces, that gives me so much joy. I think it's always nice when I ask them, how does it feel to have a father? Say, no, it's good because you're a good dad, you're this or that. Oh, yeah, I get so much joy. Hey, so I understand. Okay, so other people, when they see us on the field, they don't understand. Some of us, we play football to survive, and some they play football to escape from a lot of childhood traumas before a passion, because so gives me some fun standing ball, but there's a lot of stuff that happened. That is why I was touched when I saw the Sipombule issue. Maybe there is something.
yeah.
Yeah, but
So kuma-respect then uqale kuma-respect angisuke kuma-respect manje tell us support uthini-ke kuma-respect namajita abudlala nawo that time how was the environment there?
no, it was good. You know when you are playing in that
That level, there's so much brotherhood. You know, nisana lento ukuthi hayi thina simnandi.
Yeah.
Yabo ayikho nje team yabo ezosinikeza iproblem. So I was playing with Omasinga.
Umasinga.
Umlungisi Masinga. I don't think that you know two kiki. Amajita amaningi angisawaboni manje engangidlala nawo ngaleso sikhathi. So it was good, and my respect, you know, they've always been known about ukubeka ibhola phansi kuyadlala. Yeah. So it was, I think I developed kakhulu when I was playing for my respect seat, and it helped me ukuthi mengifika golden arrows, and you can very style sokudlala cishe sifane. So it wasn't a very difficult for me to transition yami from my respect ku Vodacom nokuthi ngilokhuze ku golden arrows.
Yeah, ngiyakuzwa my brother. Uzosihlalisa isikhathi eside. I'm touched by your upbringing, but I don't want to go back there.
Yeah.
Let's continue ngendaba zebhola. So you are at Maritzburg. You said you went for trials.
Yes.
At Arrows.
Yes.
Which year was this?
2004, 2005 season. Yeah, that's when I went for trials.
So you played nabo Tshepotshwane kulontuzana nabo Y2K Sibego ubathole baseselaphi.
Yes, but at the time I was still watching.
Yeah.
Mahotmani ngokubona adlalayo ngaleso sikhathi nasasabukela, because ku Arrows you will get a contract yaku first team but still playing for the feeder team.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah.
you don't get a chance to go. You do get a chance to train with them. If kuguthi khona umuntu osuspendiwe noma olimele, they will just take. Yeah, because we were equally good, not necessarily equally, but kwakunabadlali owazi ukuthi ungamthatha la afike afit. Njabulo Manqana, Philani Shange.
So those ngifuna ukuya lapho ukuthi wena igroup ocala ukudlala nayo kahle naba ama regular abonjabulo Manqana
abophilani Shange or Joseph Enyekane.
Yeah.
That group.
The team that won the
Othandise
MTN 8.
Khuboni, yes.
Oh, that's the group
Yeah.
ocala ukudlala nayo kahle
Yes.
kahle lontuzaneni.
Yeah, actually I met them there. Njabulo Manqana. Yeah,
You had a good team. I used to admire your team, especially the team that won the MTN 8.
Yes.
You had a great squad, and Amachita Payala, but they went on to play for big teams in South Africa.
True.
How was it like playing and beniyintanga nonke vele na Amachita lapha? Bekunjani nje atmosphere, a campaign, a training, and the lifestyle nje niyiphilile, because iDurban neJozi akufani. And amajita amanye mawasuka ngada eza ngapha aza ku Pirates most yawo, but ezinye azifuni ukusuka ngale like abo Y2K Sibe. I know at some point eSuperSport bebamfuna, but ngathi bekangafuni ukusuka KZN.
I think lesitanje ngalento yamaZulu vele ke amaZulu asifuni ukuphuma eKZN.
Yeah.
Yeah, asifuni ukuphuma and asifuni vele futhi ukufunda new language samaZulu. Yabo ukuthi sofunda isuthu asifuni, you know. And I think into creator leyo nto futhi it's also a comfort in terms of you go to training, you go home.
Yeah.
You know, so if I have to come to Joburg after training, I have to go and stay alone. So
Yeah.
you can see the transition. Because I go back after training, I go home. Can still see my mom. Abafowethu nan.
Yeah.
So is that comfort? Nanokuthi when you play with abafana nikhule nabo ninonke ndawonye, you wouldn't want to leave that space. You know, because you've created a lot of chemistry, like in terms of brotherhood,
Yeah.
and even noma sendlala. That is why we Golden Arrows. It was that easy for us. Ukuthi just shy abantu. Because man, siyazwana off the field.
Off the field,
And
yes,
so
yeah.
we transfer that same energy. Mengabe sidlala lokhuzana grounding. I know ukuthi if I pass uNjabulo Manqana, even noma kukhona umuntu la ngemuva, I trust.
Yeah.
So as a fullback ngiyamnikeza ngiyadlula because I know ukuthi uzomqeda
lose the
lo.
ball,
Oh yeah,
yeah.
already I know ukuthi hayi lo uzomqeda. If Thaniso Khubone receives the ball with his left, already I know I should run because uzoyishaya and izofika. So it's when with that understanding because sayisuka nayo ku development sakhuphuka nayo saya kulokhuzane kwi first team. So that is why we never really struggled.
So yeah, I wanted to ask you, Philane Shange no Khuboni. Yini reason yokuthi maybe bazithole bangahambanga at Arrows and go to play for bigger teams? Because my opinion is that they were great players, great players.
Yeah, so in their case, umama to engafuni badedele. I remember Khuboni had lots of offers.
Yeah.
I think the big three wanted him. So
Yeah.
as uLokhuzana uPhilane. So if umama ekubiza ithi ungahambi. If ngibekunika 5 rand, ngizokunika u10 rand.
Yeah.
You understand? And uhlala ekhaya, useThekwini and then athi umuntu uzokunika i10 rand from 5 rand. How?
Yeah.
You know why not? Uyahlala. You
Yeah.
understand? So more than anything, because Golden Arrows team yomndeni ngathi ngingasho njalo wawubasekhaya mongabula phaya.
Okay.
Because we'll staying in a clubhouse, sithathwe imoto isise groundini, from groundini sibuye singene ngaphakathi siyaphekelwa yonke into nje la eduze ayikho into oyiswelayo.
Yeah.
So you didn't see a reason why should I move? Even though there was always that ambition ukuthi I want to play for the big three. So when they came knocking, you will think twice. And no mama allows ukukhatha phansi, no Bramisha khathe phansi bakushayashaye, bakunyusela inyuku. Now uyabona ukuthi hayi man lesikunyuka inyuku hayi no. Yeah, I think relax. Yabo so ilezi izathu.
So bekunjani vele ukusipana no coach Manqoba because angisho you won MTN naye.
yeah.
Bekunjani because I mean recently njengoba beka ku Sundowns manje njengoba bekwa head coach isibonile ukuthi uhambe kanjani yabona angakacedi ukwenza umsebenzi wakhe kahle and abantu abaningi bakhala ngokuthi beka arrogant. I mean at some point njengoba beseka head coach ama reporter kuma post match interviews bebona ukuthi sometimes mabambuza question and I buze back like beka nalento ukuthi uba arrogant and mawi coach siya now uyazi mfethu awukwazi ukulwa nabantu be media because yiba ababhalayo. Uyabona, so I don't know ukuthi mhlambe I character yakhe or mhlambe ngizothi beka big headed because beseka I head coach e Sundowns I character yakhe injani lela Hotman lena kahle kahle.
I think we as this cat is too big in life, we tend to experience people differently. If you ask 5 people about uShaful, they won't tell you the same thing, but okuningi kuzofana, but khona okunye uthola ukuthi umuntu experience ngenye indlela.
Yeah.
And ngalezi sikhathi after 2 or 3 years, now as a person there are certain things that change.
Yes.
Kuwe.
Yeah.
Yeah, like mina, he gave me that fatherly figure. You understand? He gave me an opportunity. So I experienced him differently. He gave me a fighting chance. Wanginikeza opportunity to ngwazi ukuthi ngibeke isinkwe etafuleni because he's the one that signed me.
Kahle kahle.
Yeah, it gave me my first cap with Lamontville Golden Arrows. You understand? So mina naye, we became very, very close. You understand? Even as a coach, one thing that I admired about him is that he will still tell me ukuthi ayindoda ubozile last game.
Yeah. So akwazi ukuthi akubuild.
Yes, angakhe.
Yes.
Ukuthi ayindoda ubozile last game. You understand? So now I'm going to the next match. Hey, I know ukuthi hey yazi. I need to give an angry performance because last game I didn't do well. And then he told me. So in life, Shavul, there's a difference between confidence and arrogance. I think it's that person who unobzulu.
Okay.
Yeah, unalento ukuthi ke you won't tell me what I need to do. I will do what I think is right. And la ngendlela aphendula ngayo, uphendula ngendlela yena afuna ukuphendula ngayo. Ngayi ngalendlela le wena ufuna ukuzwa ngayo. Yes, kuyafana even when you are in a relationship. It's again I makuthi nje wena ungithanda. No, I do love you, but I don't love you the way you want me to love you. But it doesn't mean that I don't love you. Yes, yabona. So he's a very calm guy. Uzwe nombona game idlala. He hardly gets up asukume nan. So emotional is very intelligent. So njoba ngisho ukuthi indlela responda ngayo, you might not like it, but it means no harm. He's a very very gentle person.
And then Golden Arrows, then Sundowns.
Yes.
Iza kanjani ke that opportunity ye Sundowns? I mean, njengoba ushilo ukuthi hey kunzima ukuphuma eKZN.
Yeah.
And so ujwayele that family environment namajita wakho bodlala nawo labo sibamentionile. Nayi Sundowns umfethu. Bekuyi Sundowns kuphela ebekufuna at that time.
Sundowns ne Pirates.
Ne Pirates. Nayi Sundowns. Actually, yeah, amajita bhayo we Golden Arrows. Aya ku Pirates. Kakhulu. I think umama Mantu no Dr. Ivan banayo that relationship.
Yeah.
So wena kuze kanjani ukuthi ungayi ku Pirates ukhethe Sundowns?
Yeah, actually we did have that conversation no Mato because before I left we had a meeting and he told me ukuthi Sundowns yakufuna ne Pirates yakufuna. So yeah, na she preferred me ukuthi ngihambe ngiye kwi-Pirates.
Why? The relationship awusinikeza my insight ngale relationship ye-Arrows ne-Pirates mfethu.
No, what she said wathi ngibona amathuba ukuthi udlale emaningi kwi-Orlando Pirates then kwi-Mamelodi Sundowns because uyabona ukuthi kwenzakalani kwi-Mamelodi Sundowns. You understand? So my point was yes ngiyakuzwa and I respect your opinion yakhe and it's true. Lento ikhuluma ngiyayibona but I do want to test myself. I want to play with the best players in the country and see ukuthi mina as a player ngilaphi because if I don't go there I will never grow as a player. Yeah, and I will never know my capabilities. Here I'm playing every game, but I do want to go to a space whereby I feel so much pressure and see if I can crack or not and see how ngubani mina when I'm competing with maybe 2 or 3 players. Let me go and see for myself. And the uNkulunkulu ke mkhulu ke those 3 seasons with Pirates abazange bawine lutho because after it tripled ban they went to a drought. That is when it dominant Mamelodi Sundowns came. Yes. So when I joined I realized no man I made a good decision because when I joined Sundowns we won. And another thing, Coach Manqoba was already with Mamelodi Sundowns.
Oh,
yes. Yes. Coach Manqoba was already there, so he gave me a call. No, boy, come here. Yeah, come here.
Ungasitribuli jo.
Eh?
Ungasitribuli.
No, I'm honest.
Bekungana ma offer maybe on the table and Sundowns maybe perhaps they put a better offer than Orlando Pirates.
I don't know ukuthi umama Nto no Dr. Ivan Khoza babekhulume kanjani ngemali. I honestly don't know.
Okay.
But what I knew at the time ukuthi the late Bongi Nkosi Ntuli. I don't know if you remember. Yes.
Strike,
yes.
Yes.
Sundowns wanted Mina Nobongi as a person too. And then they offered to pay the club 10 million. And mind you, when they offered to pay the club 10 million, the club, when I left, got relegated. It was going to NFD at the time. And you know, you need funds to survive lap NFD. So I think as much as they have a relationship with Mamato, not Dr. Ivan, but I think it was she took a financial decision.
Oh,
You would say, hey, this 10 meters is gonna help me ukuthi ngikwazi ukusurvive la ngikwazi ngisheshe ngibuye
Ngibuye.
ngingahlali you understand so
Okay.
I'm not saying ukuthi ngi-accurate but I'm just thinking ukuthi she chose that part because I don't think she would have allowed me but ke kokunye indlela ade ngiyiphethe ngayo eclubini there was no way akade engekaza nginikeza into engiyicelayo because bengumfana nje oyiphethe kahle nje angisho ukuthi ukudlula bonke but when all the players left the clubhouse umama weboss umama kaMato no siswakhe no even now late best Madlala they all said all the other players can leave and go and stay emafletini but uZwane must stay. I stayed with the family kaMadlala ngedwa all the other players behlala emafletini so that's how much I was close I've been close with that club.
Bafethu, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to get all the latest updates. Is Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis shuffling Diski Ringas sisayihlafuna bafethu no babuzwane le ndaba. Then Sundowns untwana soyafika lapha yana first day. Bekunjani mfana nawe uyongena laphini konje Chlorco bathini Chlorco kuyelo laphayana first day intwana manje usejozi manje how was that experience, how was the feeling mfowethu bo mentally and physically bo prepared na
no mentally and physically I was prepared for the challenge.
Yes, because it was a huge challenge.
Yes,
man.
I was prepared because I decided I want to join Mamelodi Sundowns, knowing very well ukuthi the chances of me playing there ngenzeka angafika ngale ndlela le ngicabanga ngayo but ke mentally ngase ngiprepared whatever happens but I wouldn't change who I am. I will continue work hard and I believed ukuthi I will do get an opportunity to play. So the very first day I entered the change room, I see the surprise Moriri, Anthony Lafort, Enzo Myandong. You know, I wanted to take a moment with these names and this table. Who's in the presence of the one of the greatest players in South Africa. I don't want to lie. Even till this day, when I close my eyes, I can practically see that moment. And I still get goosebumps. You understand? And then if you say I'm because I have to start at the office.
Okay.
Yes. Hey, I have to greet everybody. I know welcome boy. Hey, I did feel intimidated.
Yeah.
So now you start looking at yourself like who's yes, and then do you know who I had to sit next to?
Yeah.
Tiko Mutis.
Intimidating even worse.
No. The only thing I did was to greet him just like I greeted everybody. Angazi, how do you start a conversation with the player of Tiko's caliber? Upuma Lamontville Golden Arrows. What do you say to him?
But I
felt at home the very first day. I don't want to lie. I felt at home. And after some time, I think I think Antoine Lafort broke the ice. He said something about Zulus. And everybody laughed.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So after that, and vele go until la phone namanye amajita ke vele besedlanga besedlala iRose neSundowns wasedlala so abaningi angibazi but not in a personal level in terms of my opponents.
Yes.
So I got introduced and ngashayela izandla, everything was nice. And this what happened. So mfethu mina ngisiphathela ibhutheli 1 because like for me Arrows I will survive with the ibhutheli 1. Yeah, ngiphathele le 12 boots because kuphuma Arrows I know I don't need to carry 2 boots mengize ejimini. What for? Because I'm only going to use one boot. Yeah. So we started training gym. So I was wearing these boots. I bought boots 6 iron and 6 rap.
Oh yes.
Yeah. Ngwathathile nje masha nginikiwe phela nami Sundowns Nike, yabo.
Yeah.
Angazi ukuthi angikhohli ukuthi fanele
Wafase, yes.
Hey sijime kumnandi kusijime idlala igame jime after awu2 aphume la wethu isikhathi ephuma so mengigijima sengiyalimala exakaleni ngizama ukubekezela the reason why ngibekezela is because sekimzulu uPithi uyathetha sengiyasaba ukobika ukuthi hey ndoda
Oh, futhi umdala.
Yo. Hey,
and then it came to a point whereby manje i-eclampsy ngakisona manje ke ngiyosayikholeta hayi ngimqondo
Hawu, ndoda.
yeah ngimqondo ngithi hayi no coach I have a problem ama lokhuzana hey that guy I created drama out of nothing
what? Hey, ngathi ngiyambona Joe.
hey wait come
Yeah.
hey
Sekabuza umuntu
onke amajita afike athi no tell the guys this very same thing you were telling me
Hayibo,
hey ngixakekile
stay. Unamanga bra.
engitsheleka amajita uthi hayi bafesi no I have a problem you know kwenze kanje hey Sanda hey this is not Lamanville Golden Arrows we're not fighting relegation we win cups here hey labo nje shavu engilapho ngibheke phansi angisazi ngizothini
Embarrassed.
embarrassed man hey he looked at me said hey look at me when I'm speaking to you hey I looked at him you know now you don't go and buy at boxer you buy Tulwes now yeah it's mina lo muntu lo
Hey, madoda.
therefore tell him how many boots you are carrying said no coach I carry 2 abuza amajita wonke umuntu is carrying 2 like
Two, uthi.
umuntu batha 2 amabhoots la ngithi mina athi how many boots ngithi no coach I'm only carrying 1 I said this is not a Lamanville Golden Arrows go home when you come back tomorrow you must make sure you have 2 my first experience with Sundowns yayibhluka kuqabaka I was the whole day
Shena can imagine.
No, ngiphathe kabi.
Isanish.
he wanted me to feel his presence ukuthi la
Yeah.
and mind you on the phone it was very nice don't worry my boy
Yeah.
Don't
Mario
worry.
Mas.
Yeah, don't worry, my boy. You're gonna play. You are better than Ramahla. You are better than Bryce Mood. You're gonna play. I've been watching you. All these nice things, and then I'm gizanalo energy. First day.
that's
I'm
beautiful
feel.
Yeah,
What
that's
I know, la
beautiful
la
you.
yabona la. I like change. So from that very first day, I realized I like Spanish.
Then masubuyele ekhaya ntwana after training bekuthini kuwe ntwana?
Yabo more than
So
anything.
sendlini manje the manje
Yes.
uyi1 akusafani ngaqala ukuthi njengoba bosho ukuthi mawuceda ukujima uyendlini nihlala ni yabona nabantu okujwayela ukukhokhula nabo so uyi1 manje uyile wafona
Shuffle.
uyile wafone
How do you go back there to training with a swollen ankle? Because I didn't tell them. You see.
ukawathekile
And now I had to go and seek for the doctor before the coach sees me.
unamanga
Hey,
yeah
ngikazeyile la. You understand? Uthi ubenzani lo? Ulimale enzani ngoba phela uthe akanama boots. Uselimale. I am tshela kezi lo muntu esimbone stick serious la. And then that is when I realized I pani la. I know liyashisa.
yeah but you had a great team lapha and now emdlalo team uyithola ichance waspanisa and you were a very important player for Mamelodi Sundowns. I mean Champions League niwine nani beku CAF ne league twice before
Telkom,
ne
World,
Telkom,
yeah.
Nedbank Cup.
ne Nedbank Cup.
Sayiwina nayo.
So before uya ku Sundowns bona imedal.
Yes.
Oh yeah,
Lamanville Golden Arrows.
yeah,
Yes.
akufani she.
And I was lucky ukuthi ngase ngiyiwinile vele M108 kulamanville Golden
Arrows.
because when I went to Sundowns we couldn't win
Yeah.
M108 if you remember very well I think my first season we were beating ekabhlungu ngabi ivet beshaya itayela labafana laba beshaya
Oh, yeah.
3-0
Embombela ne?
yes
Yeah, I remember that game.
yes
abo Dinklage
Oh,
Yes, Osifiso Hlanti, Omnyeni,
The
that
striker.
vet,
Yeah.
that vet,
ubani Dylan Shepard
abomlambo bashaya itayela lapha
le
yeah.
vet leyo Ben Motwari
yabo
nomlambo.
Ben ya yanivithisa
Ayazivithisa.
angisayikhumbuli
Yeah, I
So
remember that game.
ngaze ngahamba kuSundowns, I didn't win MTN 8. So kuSundowns ngawina wonke ama cup and then kwasuku Arrows ke ngacomplete ke with the MTN 8. If I had not won MTN 8 with the Lamontville Golden, even till this day bengeke bekuzobuyona cup engazange ngikwazi ukuyiwina.
so manje i-environment ye-Sundowns as an institution mdladla baphathana kanjani lapha na usinikeze nje ama insights
No, I don't want to lie. One thing you need to know if you are joining Mamelodi Sundowns, usespanini lapha. Ungena ngo9 ungaphuma ngo5.
kanjani manje because thina besicela ukujima siyavaya
Wow.
free the whole day
Yeah, because Upito changed everything when he took over.
okay
Yes, it
kanjani
changed. You get in for breakfast go8.
yes
Go9, you have to start training.
Training.
9 to 11. After 11, they give you time to go and shower and do whatever you have
Yeah.
to do. And then after taking a shower, you have to go and have lunch.
yes
After lunch, you go for a video session. So if video session can take up to 3 hours or whatever.
yo I mean
You understand?
ebenyoba ne problem
Yes.
nopitso
And now this is-
abenyoba nenkinga
I'm telling you.
I mean abenyohlale ngifayiniwe nje serious
Abajita bothi uyachecka ngemove abuka ivideo thi. Balele.
So
And laphayana, it's either you doing match analysis based on the previous game that you had played.
Yes.
Because every player must have a point. Which minute number 7, I was supposed to do this, I didn't do this. So we're doing corrections.
kahle kahle yeah
Yes, your own performance.
Your
well,
own performance,
individual. So yes, you
individual.
start from player 1. Nize niyophuma kule.
bafethu.
We start even the subs. They have to account.
and angeke umrobho
Yeah, ngeke uzumrobhe.
angeke
mara kusho ukuthi laphana lesikhathi mina ngilapha ku super bekangakayenzi lento le hoya uyenze
uyenze.
Sundowns
Yes. I think what made him to change maybe is because when he was still at Super Sports, he realized before taking the job that I need to shake things up laphaya.
yes
So that things can izinto zingakwazi ukuthi zenze ngendlela right. So mawuqeda i-video analysis njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngiqeda uku-analyze ngiqedile.
qede yonkinto
Mekuthi anenze i-video analysis, you're watching Barcelona, how he wants the team to play. You will watch Barcelona, you will watch which other team? Manchester City. Those are the teams that we will watch. Sometimes you watch the whole game. Actually, this point is for you, Mangete. You see how Daniel Vess is moving. You see,
yeah yo so
and then leyo nto leyo, mase niyibukile, we go to the pitch.
Yes.
Yes.
Apply
So
again
apply. That is why Sundowns was that dominant. It was very difficult for other teams. Ukuthi babone ukuthi how do you stop Mamelodi Sundowns? Because there was a time we went 21 games
Unbeaten.
no draw, straight wins. Kushawa nje abantu.
inyuku
Phela each and every game that you play, you will get imali. Every match that you play. But before wawungadlala igame game 1 uwine and then you get a match bonus. And then the next game uphinde udlala uthole match bonus, but Upicho changed that. He said you must win 3 games in a row before if you draw the fourth game, you're not gonna get a bonus. You must win all those 4 games before you get a match bonus. And then he even went on to change. You could see normally when you've won the league, the players will share equally. So now the players are not gonna share equally. You will get according to the number of games that you have played.
yeah
so yakwenye ibabe too high ne
Ibhaya ayisetha
Yeah.
yayinkulu kakhulu
sure
and yalingana ne-success yakhe lapha ku-Sundowns. Let me just put it that way. Yalingana ne-success yakhe because he demanded
yeah
each and every player to give his utmost best.
So-
Because now is the way he succeeded with career for it to that guy put in so much work.
yeah
Yeah, now coach Peter guys,
Yeah.
he can be whatever or Ibona. maybe enza ama-interview but that
Iyathesha
guy
le out,
works
ne?
hard. Iwork ethic ka-Coach Peter Masimane is unmatched.
Crazy. I always say
Is
that guy
unmatched.
is crazy.
He comes with red eyes like
yeah.
this in the morning. Athi ubebuka ibhola kazange lala.
So, just to add on what you're saying, Bona at Sundowns they had the resources to have the video analysis and all that. Tina, with him at Supersport, he would call you and tell you to watch a game. Ne? Then tomorrow would have that session, the video analysis session that you guys were having. Tina would have it on a board, and Agbu is a Gucci, so and so. Let's say for a midfielder, go and watch Uteko at Barcelona how he plays, or Uguti.
Yeah,
Ne?
yeah.
And when you comes, there's a game that maybe you guys were watching. Uyibukele now uyibukele. If ucabanga ukuthi wena uzomroba and think
khohlwa.
ukuthi uzofika ukhuluma
No,
angeke.
khohlwa.
Never you.
Khohlwa.
That guy watches football and that you Upito at the time he knew each and every player in the PSL.
Yes.
No,
Ukuthi une
Yes.
strength ukuthi uweak kuphi
Yazi
akubuze ukuthi Jabu.
yeah.
Lo muntu lo ngicela ungitshela ama strengths sakhe nama weaknesses wakhe.
Yazi Mosho leyo nto, you remind me, I remember I was at Arrows playing against Sundowns. He said to me, I am watching you. Oh no, he was in the national team because he's the one that gave me my first cap with national team.
Bafana, yes.
Yes. He said to me, I'm watching you are doing well, but fix your crosses. I was like, hayi bona umjito uyangibuka.
Yeah.
Unamanga
I'm telling you.
mfethu.
Yeah.
And
Still
bosase ku Arrows.
Arrows.
Yeah,
He
ku-Arrows.
said, I'm watching you. You are doing well for Lamon Vicol, but fix your crosses. I was like, Aibo.
Yeah.
And that alone gave me it was a big confidence
Yeah.
booster for me. Ukuthi,
For
hey,
sure.
coach national team
watching
uyangibukela.
me, yeah.
You understand? And then as sengiyejimini nami, sengiyazi ukuthi ne this is what I need to do. Now ngisacabanga team, sengicabanga ukuthi hey khona umuntu ongibhekile lapha national team because it's a childhood dream
Yeah,
to
man.
represent your country.
No, that's
so
true.
I work on that. And then wangibiza sasiyodlala eTanzania. He called me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then funny moments mdladla bekubani nje ihlanya lenu lapha nje ku Sundowns ngoba mina kuKhosi mina bengihlanya mina bengihlanya leKaizer Chiefs.
No, like
So
Sundowns,
yeah.
there's a lot. We had a group where we had Dennis Onyango.
Ngiyazwa ngoDennis ukuthi ngathi and I found la yakhe lapha yazi Dennis sangizwile nje kancane kancane
Yo.
abajita mawenza ama interview.
Dennis.
Hey, unjani?
Dennis is the craziest guy. Crazy. Starting from how he dresses up, how he will walk, everything about that guy. nje.
Ugqoka kanjani lo muntu?
I think Dennis just decides to see whatever. If I open the closet, whatever I see first, I take it. Whatever that I'm gonna see, I'm gonna take. And he like bright colors. You know?
Oh,
but-
yeah.
Yeah, but he's a great guy.
Ne?
Lafo was fun. Even Surprise Mori is fun. It's
But
fun.
he looks quiet, no surprise. Yeah. Yo.
And in life, you must understand, Shuffle. There are those people who will bring out the best in you. Abanye abantu bethi hayi asimazi kushuffle njalo. But when you are around those people,
Yes.
that
ngiyaka
side
understand.
comes
Yeah,
out. Yeah. So surprised, I think he was that guy. You know, he was fun. Now even Tiko will crack jokes. You know. So yeah, much itamaning nje abe fun. And I think I was the first time I came, I sat next to Tiko. And then angazi kwenze kanjani. Our very first match, he chose me to share a room with him. So I was sharing a room with Tiko Motise until I left.
My because I know ukuthi amanye amajita I mean uTeko I mean
Yeah.
he's a big player Charlie,
Yeah.
yabo. So erumini
superstar.
bowenzani bodlala ngefoni mhlawumbe nokuxoxa ukuthi uzoyenza mistake uzokhuluma into wrong bowenza njani because that's why mina mhlandla le first time nami bacela ukungipromote ku Chiefs ngisagidle nomdokisi
Yeah. Eish.
hey bra
Eish. So
and mina uyangazi ngiyaphapha mina
Yeah,
ngisobe like
yeah.
mina ngisabi next yabo hey mara lapha hey ngibhekele ngweye ngithi hey ngithi mina ngicabanga kuyolala kwelinye room ngamanye ngalaleki ngithi hayi mina
Nokuhambe ohlala uyamajita usuzela
and khotma Wena usikhethe relaxing. Hey, ngiphathwa na umsuzo.
Yeah.
Kunzima nokuthi ngiyawubamba ngibusele emuva. Ngitangeke. Ekudleni lekho. So asake kube naleyo situation.
No, ukuthi yabo vele ke mina my character vele like I'm that guy who brings positive energy.
Energy,
Yeah, ngiyakhuluma ngiyahleka and I'm loud. You
Yeah.
understand? So after that icebreaker with Amajita, I felt very free. Ukuthi ke ngiphume ke out of my shell manje. Ngibachikisa abafethu mina ngiyaphila.
Ngiyaphila,
You understand ngumuntu kanje. So I think that's one of the things that drew uTiko closer to me. Yabo ukuthi lo intwana esharp le ihambule iyayihlekela na wonke umuntu. So even noma sesina irumini usikhulume lezo zinto. Okay, uTiko likes to read. Yabo nami I started to read. Yabo.
Uthanda ukufunda ingwenya.
Ngithanda ukufunda. Yeah, he was that person nje othanda ukufunda, but it's cool. If you want to, No, he will even initiate conversation, not that like it's more like a dialogue. Yambuza aphendula kuphela.
No, yeah.
No, he was great. I enjoyed each and every camp being next to him.
Oh, and then ama egos ke ntwana because azange kube naleyo nkinga leyo kuxhomelana yazi phela Sundowns kunenyuku and all those things baby ama ego be kanjani mfethu
Umuntu owasiza kakhulu kuleyo nto I think he played a magnificent role was uyena ucoach uPito. He crushed it.
I can imagine.
Why crash? I remember the time he told, I think Ukama was driving he bought a 645 BMW. Wamshintshisa. Wahamba wathaka uthenga i1 series from 645. I promise you. Wabuya Ukama said driver i1 series. That's how he wanted his team to stay humble. You understand?
So belinga drive ama expensive cars during the
no,
coach Pito.
Abaningi bafice vele sebe driver. Laba athe sebe rise phela Ukama abathenga imoto lakhe sebe rise ngempela no pay sebe qala ukuphuza. Yeah. What? No. I want you to stay humble. Don't go for that car. Go for that car. And he was big on invest on property then investing on imoto. So wasiza kakhulu in terms of that. I think one thing that he has that most coaches doesn't have, management skill.
Yeah. So kusho lento yoku is not just a coach, he's a manager.
Yeah, Coach Peter manages everything at Sundowns. He managed everything. He wanted to make sure ukuthi yonke into ihamba ngale. Even the security in the egate bazokutshela. Ukuthi he wanted them to act a certain way. Ekishin, he will tell them with my players ngeke umdlali ameqeda ukujima umfuqa istamp. We work out.
Yeah.
You must feed this boy protein. What do you want him to do tomorrow? After training, after Cooper text, then he goes to the kitchen, he finds some.
We work out.
You know, so everything about Coach Peter, like he pays attention to details. So he knows how a professional should eat, how you must behave. He knew everything.
Ulobe kanjani u Dr. Patrice Motsepe mdlali?
No, you know, he normally came most of the time to congratulate Amajita.
Okay.
And also the good news, how we gonna share the money, stuff like that.
Yeah, chanjani vele.
Always.
Little time.
Unenhliziyo enhle. How I experienced him.
Yeah.
Unenhliziyo enhle, is welcoming. He makes you feel at home. He once called me and said, "Kulega." He knows that I'm Zulu. He will like speak Zulu with me. I kulega mfana ngithi sekhaya la.
Because ngezwa something when knowledge now is here ukuthi ama player wakhe vele bathi ayi yakafuni next.
I know.
Mara abo office nani ayi bathi beka street kakhulu bathi ke lapho beka ngathathi nonsense like nina beka like bathi beka protect ama player kakhulu like abo ama-Grootman lawo Goldfinger nani bathi ntwana hayi bebamfila ntwana
Yeah, ukuthi
bathi beka no bavusa ngabo ma4 athi come to my house for a meeting ngabo ma4 but nina ama player bathi ayi bengafuni next.
He came to the game wanted to change the perception ukuthi players are just players, they must work. Ungene ebholeni ukuthi I want to change all of that, and then I also want to pay these players because they have a very short career. You understand? So ubengafuni lutho ezophazamisa nje abadlali bakhe.
Yeah,
You know,
nomzwile
he-
ngayo,
yeah,
yeah,
ubebethafu
yes.
kulaba,
Yeah.
but ukuthina ubesinikeza nje
Leyo soft spot
yeah,
nyana.
leyo bene soft spot for abadlali because he believed ukuthi for these people ukuthi babe right, these guys must win. So you must fit more on these people because these are the people that gonna give the club success. So wayengafuni lutho ngathi.
So I remember bososodane lesikhathi ucoach Pitso just before iSundowns man icala ukudominate. Uyakhumula there was a time uPitso ba loser bamkhipha
ukumxosha,
bafuna
yeah, his
ukumxosha.
first
Bosodane.
season.
Yeah,
Bosoda
ngiyabona
siya.
ama-supports emlwisa.
Yeah, lesikhathi bekwenzakalani mdladla nje nonke as a team during that time because I think if ngiyakhumbula kahle wena sense the last game bamkhipha even nabo Gata abafuna bamphonsa ngezinto it was Lucas Muripe and then the following game angisakhumbula iSundowns bedlala nani wena siya then you won 1-0 from lapho yo waba induku waya uyaleso so bekayihandla kanjani leya pressure mfethu ucoach Pitso including nani nibona ucoach wenu bamkapang obvious yabona
Yeah.
ama squeeze bottle or whatever the case how did you guys manage to deal with that
I
situation?
think one of the skills that Coach Peter Mosimane anaso is emotional intelligence.
Oh yes.
And then he also made us understand, ukuthi, don't worry, I will take the heat because I know that it comes with a job.
Yes.
I know when I signed for Mamelodi Sundowns, what is expected of me. To whom much is given, much is expected. He knows.
He knows.
Yeah, he knew. Ukuthi, everything, this club, you can win the league, win the Nedbank Cup, win Telkom, win M108, but they still expect you to win CAF Champions League. They still expect you to win each and every match.
Yes.
Because every player that you want, we get that player for you.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yes,
So they did
yes.
not understand ukuthi a player that earns 300 rand can be beaten by a player that earns 100 or 50
Or
rand
50
or 20
rand,
or
yeah,
20
yeah,
rand.
sure.
So the supporters, they did not understand at all. They expected the club to win each and every game. So the moment you go 3 games without winning, then it's a problem.
So how was the experience CAF journey yenu CAF Champions League as an individually and as a team?
Yeah, I know. Each journey was not easy. One thing that that competition test is your mental strength.
Ziyabuya ne?
Blind. Because if you are not mentally strong, then you're gonna crumble. You understand? Because from the airport, you will feel the tension. Ukuthi igame iqalile. Hayi ukuthi igame mhlawumbe uzoyiqala eground no. If the moment you touch down,
Yeah.
you feel ukuthi igame iqala ama-fans uyaweza ama-fans ekhuluma. Hey, you're gonna beat you.
Yeah, what?
5-0, you won't come out of that pitch. All those things, you hear all those already, you can see, okay, you get into the hotel, the food that you get served, you realize there was a time, you know this big roll, this big bun.
Yeah,
yes.
yeah.
There was a time we slept, only having 8 lelo roll, nelo kuzane juice.
What?
Because the food that they were serving us, wangekho right.
So beningahambi no chef wenu.
No,
at that time?
I the first time because with the club, I don't think the club had much experience.
Oh, yeah,
yes,
ngiyakuthola,
yes.
ngiyakuthola, yeah,
And then
yeah,
as
yeah.
siqhubeka ne-competition,
Yeah.
then they started to introduce ukuthi kube khona uLokuzane or chef.
What was your worst experience ke nje kuyo yonke le journey into eke yenzeka nje mhlambi like the worst eyanenzakalele during that season
Yeah, Kev.
Yeah. Because you against all odds okusala nilenda you win.
Yeah.
But ngifuna that moment uthi hayi Shavlana hayi yabona hayi basibonisa nonsense.
Yeah, but I think even if it's not necessarily the worst, that moment where you really get intimidated, and even if you are a player who does not get into that space,
Ukusaba,
but
but-
that day we are saba. When you get into the pitch, stadium sgcwele ngendlela ongakazi uyibona. The moment the referee says kick off, these people they attack. I remember when they playing against Zamalek, first 20 minutes.
Bekunyiwe.
The whole back four, we felt some cramp. Babe figure, and mind you, we had beaten them 3-0 at home. So they wanted to make sure that they score first. So you can imagine the amount of pressure that we had to take. We win the ball, we try to play out, they win the. It's like you win the ball, you give it to them,
give
and
it to
then you
them,
invite
kaya
them again. Ah! No, that was really tough. Apart from the other things that you experience out off the
Yeah.
field, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so you went on with the journey and you end up winning a Champions League. How was the feeling, my brother, winning that? Because I know, having been coach Upitso, it's been his dream to win a
Yes.
Champions League for
Yes.
a
Yeah.
very long time.
Yeah.
And when I saw you guys, or when I saw him, when I saw Udona as well lifting the Champions League,
Yeah.
I
yeah.
felt like ngabe ngiyiphathi yala majita because I know it has been a dream since our super sport days. How was the feeling? How was it nje ukulifta le yanto le mfethu?
Hey, so that was one of the most amazing nights that I've ever experienced in my whole footballing career. After that night that I had with Lamontville Coloneros, when we made history, we beat Ajax
Ajax,
Cape Town
yeah.
16.
Yes.
After that one, it has to be the night that I had when we were winning Champions League. I still feel goosebumps when I think about that moment.
The moment.
And it felt so much greater because I was inside the pitch.
Eish.
I had to
Yeah.
play the final. Even the first leg I played, and then the second leg I also got an opportunity to play. The moment the referee said, "Game over," Mamelodi Sundowns
Yeah.
are the CAF Champions League winner, I could not believe. The first thing that I did, when everybody was running around the pitch celebrating, I knelt down. I still have that picture till this day. I knelt down and then I said, "God, I thank you."
Yeah.
Because I don't think we could have managed to win this competition if it wasn't for you.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's the first thing that I did. And then after that, then nami I decided ukuthi wathi ngisangane njengonke umuntu. Ngisanga njengonke umuntu, you know, because even that night I think we slept around 6 a.m. if I'm not mistaken.
Kahle kahle.
Yeah, I remember most of us we slept with our medals on. Because it's one of those moments we are disbelief, our call.
There's
What
nothing
did it
bigger
really?
than that.
Yeah, did it really happen? Now
Yeah.
you don't even think about money. You think about money later.
Yeah,
You think about the
yeah,
glory.
yeah,
You understand?
yeah,
Because it's every player's dream, Joba Tenisho Nanugu, to get into that level,
Eish.
to win. And it's the same level. Even Kenneth Mwene said, I have the same feeling that I have when I won the Africa Cup of Nations with Zambia. This
Yeah.
is the same feeling that I'm having.
Yeah.
I can't describe it to you for you to really understand,
Understand,
and
yeah.
really paint
Yeah,
the
you
picture
have
for
to-
you, because that
yes.
feeling, I'll call Nuguikas.
Eish.
I'll call
You lose
Nuguikas.
experience earlier.
Yes,
Yeah.
you have to be there.
I
That is
saw,
why
I saw Pesita. I still see him now sitting down.
yes,
now, like,
ubesabuyisa yonke into. How did it get here? How did it happen?
Yeah.
You know, because it felt impossible in the beginning.
Yeah.
You understand? When we started, it felt impossible. But now, as we went on, we started believing. Quarterfinals now, no guys, we can actually go and win this thing. And now Coach Peter, but Coach Peter has always been a believer. He believed from the very first game that we played. Said, guys, we can go all the way. We've got the players, we've got the experience, we've got everyone, we've got the support of the president. Why not? We are a big team.
Yeah.
He instilled that mentality. Yoguti. If you look even now, people, when before Peter joined the Sundowns, why wouldn't Pirate and Chiefs, big team? But because Peter forced us to be recognized
Yeah.
in Sundowns, we are a big team.
Yeah.
A big team must show up with caps. So we showed
Yeah.
up with caps. And then you couldn't argue with him. Mangabet, you are a big team. And then now, Sundowns is the most dominant. And the Chiefs is the big team in my own opinion. Because when Chiefs win, you will feel. You felt the NH when they won
that's
Nedbank
true.
Cup. And then on Sundowns, a week later, Sundowns won the league. It was quiet. Sundowns is dominant, Chiefs is big. And Orlando Pirates is also big, but it's mostly rich in history.
Then iphela kanjani ijeni yakho lapha ku Sundowns? I think after Sundowns uye ku
Ajax. Yes.
Cape Town.
Yes.
Kanjani manje kwenza kanjani?
So what happened? Ilokuzane when Coach Upito, because in my position there was me, there was Thapelo Morena,
Okay,
there
yeah.
was Mbegile,
Oh yes, umbheki
And then
Mangweni,
now
yeah.
there was Anele Ngconga.
Oh kwaza no Anele.
Kwaza no
Anele.
So at that moment, as a person, as much as you want to give yourself that fighting chance, you would say, yeah, I'm equally capable, regardless ukuthi compete nabo bani, but I will still,
Ngizolwa.
yeah, I'm gonna fight till the end, and I know what I'm gonna get the opportunity to play.
Yeah.
When you get Anele overseas, what are you saying to him? You are saying to him, you're gonna sit on the bench? No way.
And he was, I think I've heard Futu Wuti, he
You
was
understand?
also the highest paid player.
Yes,
Amongst
yes,
the highest
yes.
paid players, yeah.
You understand? And then you have taken Thapelo Morena as a winger, because there kuma winger kuyanyiwa okhama kuyanyi kuyaphithizela, and then because of his pace you realize, nah man, because we attack with wing backs, I can use this boy here because of his pace. So now you have to compete with a guy that has 100 caps from national team, Anele. Now we have to compete with a guy who's a winger. Obviously, offensively is better than you.
Yeah.
You understand? You also have Mpegile. He's quick.
Yeah, hey, we are.
Like lightning quick, and he's got that aggression because he's a defensive midfield. You understand? And then there is me, who's like, I'm still gonna. As time goes by, you realize you have to be honest to yourself and be like, Yazid, a chance might come, a chance might not come. But let me stay in the moment and see what happens. Let me trust Nkulunkulu and trust the process. And in that moment, while I still in that moment, and then Ajax Cape Town was not doing, and then they hired Coach Mushine Tukal. Having worked with Coach Mushine Tukal, from nothing, he gave me a call. And then he's like, hey, my boy, I can see that you are not playing there. Me, I can use you. Go
Ajax, yes.
And that will also give you a chance that you do well. They might record you back to the team. I'll only ask you loan.
Oh, but we low.
Yes,
Oh,
loan.
okay.
Yes. So I spoke to the coach, Coach Upete, and then he was honest. Said, no, me, I don't want you to go, because more than you being a player here, you add so much value. When you are in the change room, there is so much positivity. You are one of those players, even when you on the bench or we are in the stand, you never change your facial expression. Yes, you are that guy. Everybody in the team loves you and wants you to be part of the team. But at the time, I needed to be selfish and choose myself, because I love the game so much. You know, as much as I was giving everybody, making everybody happy, but there was a time I needed to feed myself as well. Now I also need to be happy, because as much as I'm happy with everybody around, when I go home, your kids will call, Dad, mara wena udlala nini?
Yeah, no,
now every match they ask you before the game, uyadlala.
Yeah, hey, sir.
And then even the lies, they end up drying out, because now you're like, Nglimele. Yes. So now there was a time I was like, okay, I want to go and get a game time. So that's how I left the club. And then I sell 6 months to my contract.
Oh,
Yes.
and then how was the experience? So you facing Mamelodi Sundowns for the first time after you had a success in the club.
Yeah,
So you ran against Mamelodi Sundowns.
And I'm sure every player who has played for Sundowns, when you're playing against that team, you have that thing which I want to show them what they Yes.
No,
not necessarily quality.
Yeah.
I wanted to perform on the day.
Yeah.
That week, I was telling myself, I'm gonna show them good. I left, but they didn't make it. They didn't make a bad decision. A bad decision by signing me. Mfanele bangibone on the other side, because sometimes kuhle ukubona into yakho kade uyithanda ikhanya somewhere. And then you realize, I know I made a good call with that. So I was very ready for that match. And then when that match came, then there's this rule yokuthi awudlali ne club yakho.
Yeah.
And then on Friday, I was told that I can't play against.
Yeah, and being against me, that rule mean I was always against. Being against that rule, because I felt good. I'm a cheater, like mawaphume ngelone mdlali. For example, asithi Ajax.
Yes.
Lapho we key member. We were a very important player. Then Sundowns, mayodlala nawo then mele that was my feeling uyazi vele bengingayifuni from day one ukuthi kusho ukuthi for example iPirates maniyodlala nePirates iPirates uyodlala neAjax strong
Yeah.
but iSundowns mayodlala neAjax then mele lama player bawoluni seyiba weaker that was bengingayifuni that but manje mfethu wenzani manje siya mfethu ke sisuqedile ukudlala and how was the transition eyukuthi manje mase uhenga amaboots awusitshele nje ngaleyo transaction nokuthi mhlambe manje angazi une foundation angisho yeah and maybe you tell us about your foundation nokuthi yini into inspireile ukuthi uqale ifoundation and what do you want to achieve ngefoundation and yini igama le foundation yakho and everything
Okay, igama le foundation yami mangethe foundation. I started lento yokufuna ukusiza even when I was still playing. I will use imali mingabe sunile ama game ama match bonuses. I normally targeted amakhaya la ukuthola ukuthi baphila ngempesheni kagogo or impesheni kamkhulu. Then I will buy food parcels for that
Serious?
family. Yeah.
Usadlala?
Ngisadlala when I joined Sundowns.
Wow.
So I will do that to just like ekasi ngibheke leyo mizi then ngithenge grocery ngibahambisele. You understand? So lolo thando lolo lisukaphi ugogo njengoba sikhulise ekhaya sisonke sibaningi. Ugogo wayengena ingane ayizalayo uthi yena. But she managed to take care of all of us. So leyo nto yakhula kumina ukuthi akumele umuntu usuze umzale noma niphile ekhaya li1 ukuze umuntu khona ukumsiza. So I started like that ngenza with my own man. And then after retiring then I realized ukuthi no man actually I need to register because at the time I was not anganga register
boyenza from
ngizenzela you understand because now there are no more ama match bonuses because angisadlali. So now I need to register it and seek for assistance because I still want to continue to continue and help people that are less fortunate because those who are eating with the spoon must help those who are eating with the hand. So that is how I started let me register my foundation. And now I've been I think outcoming Bonile working with a brand because I realized that I had a very good career, number one.
Yeah.
And then lifestyle has been very clean. We understand. The purpose was never to wear brands. You know that. We wanted to become brands. Tina personal. What to make to Jabu Mahlangu Foundation. That is you. You understand? So when Gucci, that is someone else.
Oh, but we cabanga kanjani
Yeah,
wena?
that is someone else. I want to become a brand. I'm wearing brands because now the mentality ukuthi nami I am a brand. I got the instill ukuthi nami edlala ukuthi uyi-brand wena.
Kahle kahle.
Yeah, because you Shaful, you could have made so much money apart from salary yakho because you are Shaful. Everybody knows. In every door that you knock on and be like, hey, it's Shavul. They'll be like, Shapupula. And then bazokwazi ukuthi bakusiza. Izinto esiri that will learn late ukuthi we can actually use this thing to our advantage. Ukuthi sisebenze nama brands and be ama ambassador ama brands and stuff like that. And another thing is also trying because I look at myself and I'm like, can I be a coach? Let me be honest. It's not every player that can become a coach.
Ngidlaleli lapho.
You understand? And then we also had a conversation.
Ngidlaleli lapho.
Okay, we are Ilokuzani coach. And I think that is one thing that he had to search himself. Uguti, can I actually do it? And then he came to a point where I'm like, no, I can make a good coach. Because he believed that he can do it.
Yeah.
That is why he decided to do Ilokuzani, to get those certificates and qualifications. When I searched myself, as a player, who was not a talented player. I was not talented. I worked hard.
You worked hard.
Yes. I believed if I'm fit, I can compete with anyone. So why not go and do a conditioning coaching certificate and be the conditioning coach one day? You understand? I needed to search what is it that I will wake up in the morning and then really like.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yes.
Yes.
You know what?
Yes. And also now, because I do sell impahla zokugqoka. I like looking good.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I'm choosing things that are very close kumina nezithengi ithandayo Nezinto when I wake up in the morning said I would want to do this, I would want to do that without you telling me, hey, vuka hambe uyokwenza ukuthi.
Oh, yeah.
We understand. But in terms of those dynamics, because as I said, I want to have my own brand. I still have to go and have meetings with people who have done that.
Yeah.
With
Seek
yeah,
assistance,
yeah. How do I
advices.
go?
Yes.
Yeah, about this, because I'll want one day to see you wearing something that I brand yami
Yeah.
or nami ngigqoke i-brand
I-brand
yami.
yami,
Yeah,
yeah.
you understand the thing ishoyo.
No,
So yeah,
siyabonga.
basically those are the things that I'm actually like busy with.
Yeah, lastly, vele isikhathi sesishayile. Lastly, obvious bahlezi ama guest sithi advice to the current players because ukhulume something and uyiphilile. You were very clean during your professional career because kunzima mfethu ukudlalela abo team njengabo Sundowns, Pirates, Chiefs, Nyuku, ba success. Uyazi kunamajita uthola ukuthi bewa discipline but because of fame sometimes umunye abe big headed, sometimes abe in influence. Yabona, but when you kept it clean and professional. Wenze kanjani mdladla? Yini into ekusebenzele and yini into ongayenza ukuthi at least sithiphe labafana, including like a situation yabo Sipho Mbule and because isikhathi sabo manje and siyadinga ukuthi singabi selfish. Singabafiseli ukuthi bayenze ama mistakes esiwayenzile or some of the mistakes thina esizenzile. Simele sibafisele okuhle. So ungaba advise kanjani mfethu?
I think the foundation of everything is God. After choosing uNkulunkulu, you need to choose the right partner, because as much as umjita uyinhloko, you need neck yakho, of which is your woman. Why do you need the neck? The neck gives you direction, because sometimes uthina machita we get lost.
Yeah, kakhulu.
We understand.
Yeah.
And also, it's very important to stay hungry, because when you are hungry, you always
Want to do more.
You always want to do more. And if as a player you're gonna chase money, you're gonna get paid 300,000, and then after that when you can pay 300,000, say like, so it's enough. So do not chase money, chase success, chase being great, because what comes with success and greatness, then comes money. You understand?
Yeah,
So you cannot reach that level of success if ungekho hungry.
Yes.
Because even the players that we idolize, Cristiano, no, they are chasing success. They don't care. Money follow them, but they they are chasing success. And also, don't forget to always keep your feet on the ground. Be humble. I always say, as a player, you need to be for you to be successful. Because once in South Africa, the media can hype you.
Yeah.
If you stay too long in that space and listen to that music for too long,
Hey, ngiyakuthola ntwana.
then you're never gonna go back to that space whereby I haven't done anything. I still need to work hard.
Work hard.
So that is why other players, one season one, and then or someone the next season.
Hi, bafethu. Siyabonga. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. So that you can get all the latest updates. Is Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. Shuffling Diski Ringasi, abafethu besiphethu babuzwane namhlanje. Siyabonga kakhulu mfethu, siyabonga kakhulu. Great advice mfethu, and uNkulunkulu ngathi ngakunikeza amandla mfethu nomndeni wakho konke okufisayo ukukwenza. Ne foundation yakho, even abantwana bakho, uNkulunkulu bafethu ngathi anganikhanyisela mfethu, aninikeza amandla. Bafethu singizoyivala nyamazi ke na unkelithi uyalaha mama sengibamba le phone kanje. This show was brought to you by eBetJets. Click the link below to register and use code JABU11 to get your 125% first deposit sports bonus up to 1,000 rand. Use code JABU10 to get 10 rand sports bonus bet. JABU50 to get 50 free casino spin. Bafethu, please register in eBetJets. Bafethu, and yeah, that was our show. Bafethu, umfethu naye mela gijimele airport. Sibonga kakhulu mfethu ukuthi usenze ukushaya ngegepu. Ukushaya ngegepu sathi airport wathi qa.
That's a smart move.
Yeah, no late changazi mfethu. Beautiful show and sikufisela konke okuhle mfethu.
yeah.
Bafethu, thank you. That was Jabu Mahlangu and Diski Shandis. shuffling diskiring asibafethu. It's a rap. Adios.
Ntwana.
Danko.
See ya.